Take a bent plier and from the open end press it at one side of the lock towards opposite side. That's it. It will open. Next you follow my video to remove the link. It's very simple. Now I will show you how to insert the link and lock. While inserting the link, bring both the joints on the rear sprocket so that it will be easier to link the joints. In my channel, I have already uploaded how to adjust the chain. Please watch it. Subscribe to my channel, like this video and press the bell icon to get the latest upload notification. Thank you.